In this video, you will learn how to solve systems using the method of elimination.
What is it? The elimination method is used to solve for x and y in a system of equations.
Example problem number 1. In this problem, you will solve by subtraction. A common mistake is to subtract when both numbers are positive or both numbers are negative, and add when one is negative and the other one is positive. In this problem, 2x plus 7y equals negative 7 and 5x plus 7y equals 14. You see that both numbers are positive, so in this problem you will need to subtract.
Here we rewrite the problem. The first step is to subtract the bottom number from the top number in order. So 2x minus 5x equals negative 3x. 7 minus 7 equals 0, and negative 7 minus 14 equals negative 21. The resulting 0 along with the y disappears, so simplified the equation is negative 3x equals negative 21.
Now you need to solve as a normal river problem. Divide negative 3 on both sides and x equals 7.
Step 4 was to substitute x with the resulting number in one of the original equations to find the eliminated variable. A tip is to choose the equation with smaller numbers to make the following process easier. So we chose the first one of the equations. Step 5, solve for y as a river problem. So subtract combine like terms. Subtract 14 from both sides, then it gives you 7y, then it gives you 7y equals negative 21, divide both sides by 7, and y equals negative 3. So the answer finally is x equals negative 7 and y equals negative 3, which is 7 comma negative 3.
To check, plug in x and y in one of the original equations.
In this case, we chose the first equation again. So after substituting x and y, it solves a river problem. And finally, we checked if negative 7 equals negative 7, and it was right. So that means we did our process well.
Now in example problem number 2, we are going to solve by adding. The problem is 8x plus 11y equals 20 and 5x minus 11y equals negative 59. You see that there is a positive 11y and a negative 11y, so this means you need to add.
Here we rewrite the equation, and to continue solving we need to add the bottom and the top numbers. 8x plus 5x equals 13x, 11y plus negative 11y equals 0y, and 20 plus negative 59 equals negative 39. The resulting 0 again disappears, and the answer simplified will be 13x equals negative 39.
Step 3, solve for x as a normal river problem. Divide 13 on both sides and x will equal negative 3.
Now, just as we did last time, substitute x in one of the original equations. In this case, we chose the first one. After rewriting, we solve as a normal river problem. To check again, replace both y and x in the original equation. So substitute x for -3 and y for 4. Then again solve as a normal river problem, and after check we can see that we did it well because 20 does equals 20. That's all, the end.